If you're a hearing aid user, then you must be familiar with this feedback sound. This happens because the amplified sound is coming back to the microphone for amplification again. This can happen for three reasons. 1, improper fit. Number 2 is wax buildup. 3, the hearing aid is set at a very high gain level. So what can one do about this feedback sound? Get your ears cleaned, ensure that the fitting is proper. Third one is get the hearing aid adjusted to a little lower level. This should hopefully take care of the feedback sound. Thank you.